Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Macario Sakay y de Leon, a name often associated with banditry, was in fact a misunderstood hero of the Filipino-American War. His long jet black hair, which he vowed to cut only after defeating the Americans, became a symbol of resistance. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. On March 1, 1870, Sakay was born in Tondo, Manila, and lived a humble life doing odd jobs as a blacksmith, tailor, actor in the street, theater, and comedias, and mostly as a barber. His life took a turn when he joined his friend Andres Bonifacio's Katipunan, committing himself to the cause of Philippine independence. Sa kanyang buhay, si Sakay ay naging tanglaw ng pag-asa para sa kanyang mga tao, nakatayo laban sa mga mapang-api, ang mga Kastila, ang mga Amerikano at maging ang kanyang mga naliligaw na mga kababayan. Mas determinado siya kaysa kay Jose Rizal, mas mapalad kaysa kay Andres Bonifacio, mas dalisay kaysa kay Emilio Aguinaldo, at mas misteryoso sa liriko kaysa kay Apolinario Mabini. However, history often written the victors paint a different picture of Sakay. Sa ilang henerasyon, nabuhay at namatay ang mga Pilipino sa paniniwalang Sakay is a criminal with crazy pretensions, a robber, and a ridiculous bandit. After independence, scholars seeking to write history from the Filipino perspective began to examine colonial versions and examine old records. They concluded that Sakay was a true hero in the best tradition of Bonifacio, Emilio Jacinto, and Apolonio Samson, who were his colleagues in the Katipunan. Malayo sa pagiging bandido, siya ay isang maluwalhating diehard, hindi kapanipaniwalang matapang at matyaga, isang magiting na holdout para sa kalayaan ng Pilipinas. Today, we remember Macario Sakay not as a bandit, but as a true hero who fought for the independence of his country. His story serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by our forefathers and the true cost of the freedom we enjoy today. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Rick Bragg, every life deserves a certain amount of dignity, no matter how poor or damaged the shell that carries it. Shout out and thanks to the comment again of Mr. Kevin Mikkel from Scotland. Maraming salamat po.